How to backup your camera roll on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly backup your camera roll on Snapchat. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply tap on your profile icon, which can be seen in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, you simply have to scroll down, and there you simply have to tap on the option labeled as Memories. And now here, in this section, you'll find two options under Save Destination. One is Save button, and another is Auto Save My Story Snaps. So here first, just tap on Save button, and here you can choose the option to the memories or camera roll or the camera roll only. And with that, you simply have to go back and tap on Auto Save My Story Snap option. And now here, if the option is set to don't autosave, simply tap on the option labeled autosave to memories, and that will instantly save your snap to the memory section. And here, once those are set, you're good to go. Now your snaps will automatically back up the way you have chosen. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.